Welcome. Today we'll see how Cloud ERP can make tea manufacturing better, faster, and more profitable. Tea manufacturing involves many steps, from picking leaves to processing, packaging, and shipping. Managing all these steps well is key to producing great tea. Cloud ERP helps by connecting all parts of your tea manufacturing process in one system, giving you real-time data to make smart decisions. Here are the main features of Cloud ERP for tea manufacturing. Supply chain management is critical for ensuring that every step, from raw material procurement to final product delivery, is streamlined and efficient. With Cloud ERP, tea manufacturers can track inventory in real time, manage supplier relationships, and optimize logistics. This means fewer delays and more cost-effective operations. Production planning is the backbone of any manufacturing process. Cloud ERP helps tea producers plan their production schedules accurately, ensuring that the right amount of tea is produced at the right time. By forecasting demand and managing resources efficiently, manufacturers can reduce waste and increase productivity. Quality control is essential in maintaining the high standards expected by tea consumers. Cloud ERP provides tools for monitoring every batch of tea, from leaf selection to packaging. This ensures that each product meets stringent quality criteria, enhancing customer satisfaction and brand reputation. Inventory management, financial management. With Cloud ERP, tea manufacturers can work more efficiently, save money, and increase profits. Real-time data helps you make quick, smart decisions, improving how you manage everything. Want to boost your tea business? Contact us to learn more about Cloud ERP. Cloud ERP, empowering the future of tea manufacturing.